Out there may be only one more leap year left. Inside of us in South Center, this is the year we have not our harvest, but our ingathering. And you know what that means, don't you? A harvest is when winter follows. An ingathering is at the end of the year, which is autumn, and the next season becomes spring. So there are only 3 seasons in heaven: spring, summer, autumn. Spring, summer, autumn. And this is why when I first went for my reading through this medium, I was asked a question: what do you want? And I said, I want to know more so I can assist my people better. And you know what they said? 3 times. How wonderfully said. How wonderfully said. How wonderfully said. And for the life of me, I couldn't understand why it was 3 times. But now I know. Heaven. Got it? Heaven. Spring, summer, autumn. Not fall, autumn. Spring, summer, autumn. And the economy out there, which are 2 Greek words, oikos, O-I-K, plus nomos. Oikos means house. Nomos is law. And what are we doing in South Center? Building a new house, which is a new soul. Got it? The old house must go completely for the new house to take its place. That's our soul. And in the center of that soul is the carbon. And that soul, its center, is the universe. Not outside, inside of us. Now we have read that the earth, or the world, is hollow. But before I get into that, look at a globe of the world, and you will see it is not straight up and down, but tilted. And when you look at it, that's left tilted. And by becoming tilted, winter came in. And winter produced the ice in the North Pole, but also produced ice in the Antarctic pole. And since the pole at the Antarctic is at the bottom, it started to accumulate more ice. Now remember, when the earth tilted, it was a perfect globe. But when it brought in winter and the ice, and on the bottom, then that ice on the bottom started to accumulate and accumulate and accumulate, that gave the globe within it on the outside the shape of a pear or egg. You got it? Now, I heard the other night Brian Williams speaking of the Antarctic, and this is what came. That scientists are drilling at the Antarctic, and they're drilling, and they're drilling, and finally, do you know what they found at the bottom? After about 2 miles of ice? What they call a lake. It's not a lake. It's the ocean. That the ice just grew around it. The world itself never changed, but the outside changed. The illusion of when it did, its face, which is a surface meaning face, also shifted. But within that globe, there is a crust of earth, and then there is a hollow. And in that hollow, there are continents. Now, can you visualize that the earth, the top layer there, the earth, when it was directly connected with the inner hollow earth, let's talk about the continent of the Holy Land. And when it shifted, that image of the Holy Land up there shifted eastward. So is that in the east the Holy Land, or is, I'm asking a question, or is it just the illusion of a Holy Land? And when the earth shifts back to where that Holy Land, which is inside of that hollow, aligns itself, chiropractic word, with the Holy Land on the bottom, where will the Holy Land really be? I tell you what I get right here in the USA, right here. We may lose our Constitution as it is. That's okay. We can always make another one. But remember, live by the Declaration of Independence. All men are equal. All people are equal, basically. But their souls are slightly varied. And this is what makes Pasquale, and Ara, and the rest of you, You got it?